Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll talk about what is artificial intelligence. So imagine you have asked your phone, what is the weather today? And it immediately give you the answer. Or a Netflix recommendation, your favorite movie, or a Google map find the fastest route. Have you ever wondered how computer does this? So the answer is artificial intelligence or simple AI. What is intelligent? Before talking about artificial intelligence, let's understand what is intelligent. Intelligence means ability to learn, think, solve a problem, making a decision, and understanding the information. Humans are intelligent because we learn from experience. For example, after touching a hot cup of coffee, you learn not to touch it again through experience. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial means made by human, something that is made by human. And intelligence means the ability to think and learn. So artificial means made by human, intelligence means the ability to think and learn. Now we'll combine these both together. So artificial intelligence created by human and given it to machine is something like we created an artificially manufactured intelligence and we provided it to a machine to work on. AI allow computer to learn from data, recognize pattern and make decision like human. Okay. AI is not a human brain. Just remember that it is a software designed to imitate or mimic human thinking. So AI is not a human brain. We just design a software which will do the learning similar to the human brain or whose learning process is similar to the human brain. Let's now understand how a normal computer works. A traditional computer only follow set of instruction given by a programmer. For example, imagine a calculator. You enter 10 plus 20 and it gives 30. It never changes its answer. It cannot learn. It cannot think. It allowed to follow a fixed rule. That is what a traditional computer is. Now let's come to the AI. An AI computer works differently. Instead of following only fixed rule, it learns from example. Suppose you show a AI 10,000 picture of cats and dogs. After learning, it can identify itself a new picture correctly. Nobody tell it's a rule. It find the pattern by itself and that is the learning. Now the difference between traditional computer and AI. In traditional computer, it follow the fixed rule. In artificial intelligence, it's learn from data. Traditional computer cannot learn, but it can follow your instruction perfectly okay. Artificial intelligence system, it can improve its performance over time. Traditional computer gives the same output for the same input. In the artificial intelligence, we can make prediction of the output. Okay. In traditional computer, It needs programmer for every rule. So every real rule need to be defined very clearly in a traditional computer to a computer work on. Example, as we already explained about the calculator, an artificial intelligence, it's learn pattern automatically. Example, ChatGPT and Siri. Now let's talk about some of the real life example of artificial intelligence. Nowadays, everyone use a smartphone, and we have face lock where we can unlock the mobile by using our face. That system is developed on AI. Let's take an example of another real life example. It's called YouTube recommendation. Everybody watch YouTube videos, and I'm also recording on one of the video. So when you watch one video, the in YouTube suggest you another set of video that is called recommendation from YouTube side. That also based on artificial intelligence. Let's take another example. The Google Map. I believe everyone use it. That's also an example of artificial intelligence. Self-driving car. Nowadays, it's in news that Tesla is manufacturing self-driving cars. That is also an example of artificial intelligence. Moving to the next one, Chat GPT. Most of the students are now using Chat GPT to understand concept, solve problems, and taking suggestion in their homework as well as guidance while implementing any project. Uh, Another real life example is Alexa. So everybody know what Alexa is. That also build on artificial intelligence. So all of these example which I have shown, all of these use artificial intelligence to learn and perform. Now let's move to the conclusion. So remember this very simple sentence. A traditional computer follow instruction. An AI computer learn from experience. Traditional computer are rule based. AI system is learning based. AI, artificial intelligence is making computer smarter, helping them solve problem, understand language, recognize image, and assist human in many everyday tasks. So the future belong to those who know how to use AI wisely. And just I need to highlight that wisely word. It's not like you use all the product that are available as a AI product. You have to choose wisely. Otherwise, you'll be overwhelmed. Thank you, and we'll see in the next video.